morning everyone. How are you all children? I hope you all are well. Very good. So student, this is your English class. Which class? English oral class. And today we are going to do the revision. आज हम लोग क्या करेंगे? रिविजन करेंगे फोनिक साउंड्स का. A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 sounds. A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels, and today we will learn the 5 sound words. A sound, E sound, I sound, O sound and U sound. So let's start. First of all, A sound. C-A-B, cap. D-A-B, dab. T-A-B, tap. All of you repeat, children. L-A-D, lad. D-A-D, dad. P-A-D, pat. S-A-D, sat. Now next is R-A-G, rag. B-A-G, bag. T-A-G, tag. W-A-G, wag. All of you repeat. D-A-M, dam. R-A-M, ram. H-A-M, ham. And J-A-M, jam. M-A-P, map. C-A-P, cap. L-A-P, lap. N-A-P, nap. T-A-P, tap. B-A-T, bat. H-A-T, hat. C-A-T, cat. M-A-T, mat. R-A-T, rat. So like this you have to read it, page number 5. Then come to E sound. Page number 6, E sound. Read it with me. B-E-D, bed. R-E-D, red. F-E-D, fit. L-E-G, leg. P-E-G, peg. D-E-N, den. P-E-N, pen. H-E-N, hen. T-E-N, ten. M-E-N, men. P-E-T, pet. J-E-T, jet. W-E-T, wet. And N-E-T, net. Very good. Learn this E sound, page number 6. Then come to page number 7. I sound words. Now, B-I-B, bib. N-I-B, nib. R-I-B, rib. All of you repeat, children. H-I-D, hid. K-I-D, kid. L-I-D, lid. Next is B-I-G, big. F-I-G, fig. D-I-G, dig. W-I-G, wig. Next is B-I-N, bin. T-I-N, tin. F-I-N, fin. W-I-N, win. P-I-N, pin. Repeat, children. D-I-P, dip. S-I-P, sip. T-I-P, tip. L-I-P, lip. Next is F-I-T, fit. K-I-T, kit. S-I-T, sit. H-I-T, hit. Then learn the I sound words also. Now O sound words. Open your page number 8, all of you. O-B. J-O-B, job. R-O-B, rob. S-O-B, sob. Next is C-O-D, cod. P-O-D, pod. N-O-D, nod. R-O-D, rod. Next is D-O-G, dog. J-O-G, jog. L-O-G, log. Next is C-O-P, cop. M-O-P, mop. H-O-P, hop. T-O-P, top. C-O-T, cot. D-O-T, dot. P-O-T, pot. H-O-T, hot. Next is O-X, ox. B-O-X, box. F-O-X, fox. Learn the O sound words, page number 8, all of you. Now come to page number 9. U sound words. C-U-B, cub. R-U-B, rub. T-U-B, tub. Next is B-U-G, bug. J-U-G, jug. M-U-G, mug. H-U-G, hug. Now next is U-M, G-U-M, gum. M-U-M, mum. Next is B-U-N, bun. S-U-N, sun. F-U-N, fun. R-U-N, run. Next is C-U-P, cup. C-U-P, cup. P-U-P, pup. P-U-P, pup. C-U-T, cut. C-U-T, cut. H-U-T, hut. H-U-T, hut. N-U-T, nut. N-U-T, nut. Very good. So children, learn the page number 9 also, U sound words. So we have done the revision today. A-E-I-O-U. A-E-I-O-U sound words, phonic sounds, okay? So I hope you all have got this properly, children. So learn this properly and you can make the short video clip by learning this and send it to me by 2 p.m. Till then, bye-bye everyone. Enjoy your day and be safe everyone.